super early again today, which is quite nice actually, because we got to see the sunrise. There was clouds, but it was still lovely to see the beach. We had a little bit of a walk, and now we're just testing the drone now. We'll be able to go and save the drone. So I think the plan of action today is go north of Koh Samui. No, we're not going north. We're going middle Koh Samui, midwest, because we want to see the Buddhas, the big Buddha, and can't think of the other one. But we're going to see the big Buddha. And then after that, we will go into Fisherman's Village, that is north. Just gonna have a look around and see what they have, get some food, and that's about it. So yeah, it's not too much of a busy day. Can't walk far, we've had to change our plans slightly. I can't walk too far on the ankle. It's a lot better today, but still not perfect. So yeah, let's not push it. We'll see you then.
We've arrived at Lane, sorry if that's the wrong pronunciation. 25-minute drive on a moped from our hotel, nice and easy through the country lanes, rural Thailand, which was really nice to see. So we thought this was closed when we've arrived, but it's clearly not. We've come nice and early. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, and there is nobody else here. It's absolute bliss, and so far there's no gates, turnstiles, so we think this is free. It's a donation box on the way out that we'll put 50 baht in anyway, because it's so pretty. And a real blessing to not have anybody else here.
Yeah.
We're going to have a quick tour around and we'll show you what we find. This is the big Buddha. It's big. It's a Buddha. We've walked around a little bit. It's free to get in, but there is a donation box down there. Donations in. Down there we've had to climb 35 steps to get up, which you're doing well on the ankle. Yeah. Good job. I will show you. We are about 5 minutes away from where we've just left. As you can see in the distance over there. So not very far at all. We've come again at a lovely time. It was just about getting busy in the other one. Yeah. Hordes of 4x4 tours, off-road safari things arrive. So we scooted off to this one, and again I think we've hit it lucky. Yeah, just. It's 20 to 10. We're looking good so far. Yeah. See where we go next. We say we got lucky and timed it well. All of this has just rocked up. All of those cars there, and all of these people. So the best way to see Thailand is on this bad boy.
So we're going to Fisherman's Village. It's a bit of a pain to get into, so we just parked our moped like out of it, and then we're just going to walk through it and see what we can find. We've walked quite far up that terrain. It's pretty dry. I can't see any running water anywhere. There's some stagnant water down here, but it's still beautiful. Let's have a walk around and see what's here. So there is some water down there. Tom's gone up there to go and have a look. He's just there, going to have a look, see if he can find any water. I'm not going to walk that far because of my ankle. So after travelling around the north of the island many times and going back and forth, we finally arrived at Koh Samui Beach. It is beautiful. We tried to reach a few other beaches, but we couldn't get there. They were private. You had to go through like villas to get there, so it was just very back and forth. But we're here, so we're gonna sit, chill, probably have a nap, and then later for dinner we'll go to Fisherman's Village. We've just gone into an Irish pub.
For this. That's why we've come into an Irish pub.
And also because we wanted a pint. So
we deserve a pint.
Tom went for a Heineken and I've gone for a Savannah, which is a South African cider. And
we've had a good day. We've spent a couple of hours chilling on a beach just down the road. It was nice. We got away from the wind, which was the main issue. The wind on the north side beaches that we explored earlier were ridiculous. So we come south, got away from the wind.
And now it's food time. So we've gone to the Happy Elephant. This is our view. And these are our starters. We've got tomato bruschetta and vegetable spring rolls.
Scallops. Mm-hmm. Scallops?
Yeah. Is it nice? Mm. Is it spicy?
No.
Oh. Hello, good morning. We woke up super late today, about 10 to 9. Tom didn't have very good sleep, but yeah,
I think we were overtired. Did loads yesterday. We had a 17-hour day, a lot of driving on the moped, driving at night, especially through, what was the region we were at?
Wang. We went to Wang Beach yesterday, so that was the fire shows. But today we are having a little bit more of a chill day, but still going to see things. So we're here now at the Secret Garden, which you can ride a moped to. It tells you can't, but you can. Just give it a little while because you go slow up the hill, but you can do it. And then from there we'll go and see the waterfalls, and
there's loads of cool places to stop on the way back, so that road down might take a bit of a while now. There's some statues and stuff, so we'll go and check those out and we'll share them with what we find.
1876, a local farmer called Mr. Nim Thongsak built this garden. And he started building this garden at the age of 77 years old. Pretty incredible. Got caramel frappes.
Oh, you're going that way again. Oh, there.
Oh. Yeah, so good. And this is the viewpoint. So we are walking to the Wang Soa Waterfall. Sorry if I've pronounced that wrong.
My life, isn't it? Sorry
Yeah. It's 20 baht to park your moped. I think it was 30 for a car, wasn't it?
Yeah.
He did say there's no waterfall. There hasn't been a lot of rainfall in Koh Samui over the past year, they said.
For 4 months they've had no rain.
4 months they've had no rain. Yeah, so not big waterfalls, but the walks are still so pretty. So still do the walks and enjoy. So I'm not sure how much you can hear because it's very windy, but we spent the last couple of hours on a beach up northwest, and now we have come down to Sunset. Is it Sunset Bar and Restaurant?
Yeah, Sunset Restaurant.
Sunset Restaurant, which is just west of Koh Samui. It's beautiful. We've just ordered some shrimp cakes and some drinks, but it's really pretty. There's a guy kite surfing, which is quite cool. Really lovely view. Perfect to see the sunset. It's a little bit cloudy, so I don't think we'll see a lot.
The colours are going off.
We might see some pretty colours, so fingers crossed.
Come down. Cancel that, come down.
Is it what?
You should have had that ready before you started.
I did, I tried. What?